I got a man now. I heard you a fan now. Hey loves, welcome back. So I'm back looking the same as I looked in my Forever 21 try-on haul. But oh gosh, we have a little bra slip over there. This is another haul, clothing try-on haul, sponsored by Longqi hair, but I did buy the clothes. But I did get something wrong in the previous video. I said it was a 14-inch closure, but it's a 20-inch closure, and then it's 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles, and it is Malaysian body wave. I might have said it was Brazilian body wave, but you know, I just said it was body wave in the other video. So yeah, it's Malaysian body wave, and my code is Daquana space white, no space, YTB. So I'll leave it on the screen because I know I probably confused you. And it's just for $4 off. I really don't know how much that's really going to save you on some hair. But hey, if you want to, you know, if you want to, go ahead. But yeah, this hair, as I mentioned in the other video, I didn't like the original texture. Oh gosh, my nose itches. I didn't like the original texture because I'm just not a fan of body wave. And it's really rare that body wave pleases me or excites me. But I have... you know, I've been excited in the past. But yeah, this is just, you know, some really nice body wave. And the way I did the unit, I wanted more body, but I didn't get that much. But I put the 18 at the bottom, and then the 20, and then the 22. I didn't use all the 22. So maybe that's why. Maybe if I would have used the rest, I would have had some more body. But also, it's a hot glue unit, so I didn't want it to be too bulky. So yeah. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think. Like, it looks okay right here, right? It has a nice little volume right here. Okay, so as I mentioned in the other video, and I know it's going to probably sound repetitive, but I had no tangling, no shedding and stuff like that. And as I already mentioned, I didn't really like the original texture, so I did put about 6, I'm looking at it right now, about 6 or 7 flexi rods. The gray ones and the pink ones, and it was just, you know, just a few just to give it a nice little wave or something, and it gave it a nice sheen too. And I just sprayed water and put some mousse on it when I put the flexi rods in. So I do like this texture better than the original when I first finished the unit. The closure looks really good. Yeah, I just have, oh, look at that highlight though. That's Rose Glow by Passion Jones, but I do have a makeup tutorial for this look coming. So yeah, I'm just doing a lot today, y'all. I've been filming since like 11 o'clock, so we up in here. It's now 5 o'clock, 5:30-ish. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this haul. I don't want to keep you guys too long. This is by Boohoo. I ordered these things, and I got them express delivered because I was not trying to wait forever. I ordered a 2-piece set, like a pantsuit from Boohoo, and I don't even know where it's at, y'all. I ordered it like a week and a half ago. I guess because it's not a lot, it's just one item or a set. They just taking their time, they sweet little time with it. But I did get this one rushed, and it's funny because I ordered this like Tuesday-ish or Monday, or maybe last Friday, and I got it Tuesday. But I don't know. I ordered it and it came like that, but I did pay for express delivery. So I got some outerwear pieces. The first outerwear piece I have like knit sweater because I fell in love with this khaki or olive, whatever you want to call it, sweater that I had from them. So I just went sweater crazy, and I don't even like all of these sweaters. So yeah, whatever. I like this gray one. I like the color. I don't have anything of a light gray color. What are you doing? Y'all, Jasper, he be trying to get my attention. He be want me to let him out the cage. But yeah, I like the chunkiness of this. These sweaters are knit, so they're not like, they're warm, but yeah, you might want to layer up like with some scarves and stuff like that if you're going to go out with just this on. But for me, I love the cold weather, so I don't really wear heavy coats. So the next, that one didn't come with the belt, but the next 3 do come with the belt. So I got this maroon color crochet. This one is not as chunky as the light gray one, but I do love the color. You know, maroon is my ish, y'all. I love maroon or wine or burgundy, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I like these sweaters. They're not as chunky and oversized and like the other one that I have, but they work. You know, they get the job done, I guess. So then I picked it up in this ivory color, and I'm not sure which ones I'm keeping. I might not keep the black, even though I love black so much. I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know. So I have this ivory color because I also don't have an ivory or cream sweater or any white outerwear. So I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and get that. And I got that right there. All of them are 20. The only thing I didn't get in a 20 is, oh shoot, does this, nope, this one is an 18. Oh dang. So I got this shirt in an 18 and I got this cardigan in an 18. But I think the maroon one is a 20. And the black one is a 20. We're gonna look. Yeah, so the black one is a 20. You know, if it's anything else, I'll leave it on the screen. But yeah, I got the black one. I didn't really like this one. And I love black everything. But I just really didn't like these sweaters that much on me. Like I like the other one. I like the light gray one though. And then I got the belts to go with it. I didn't try them on with the belts, but I was happy to have the belts because with my other one, it didn't come with the belt. So I was like kind of upset because I was like, yo, you know, sometimes, you know, you don't want to keep adjusting and pulling it around you. Like you need a belt just to tie it and keep it in place and keep it closed. So the next thing I got was this coat, and it's the Jordan wool look wrap front coat. So I guess it's not wool, it's just wool look, but it's a nice structured coat. I love the lapels on it. I love the color of it, but I didn't like, it didn't really wrap around me how I wanted it to wrap. It didn't fall how I wanted it to fall. And then when I tied it up, it kind of came up higher in the back and lower in the front. So I'm not going to keep this coat, even though it's really nice. It's really heavy too, but yeah, it just did not, I don't know, I didn't like it on me. And that's crazy. I usually love everything boohoo. So the next thing I got was this cover up. Well, I don't think it's a cover. Is it a cover up? Oh, it is. It's a Casey Maxi Trim Detail Beach cover. And I got it in cream, even though it looks more white. I just got this for spring break because I know I'm going to try and go on a road trip to New Orleans, or New Orleans, however people want to pronounce it. Atlanta, and either Daytona Beach or Miami or Panama. I don't really know yet, but somewhere in Florida. So yeah, we're trying to hit up 3 cities for the week of spring break. And yeah, I know I'm going to be wearing this if we go to Miami or somewhere hot. So yeah, got that. Doesn't have that much stretch to it, but I do like it. So what we're going to go into next, bodysuits. The one I'm wearing is just this cute, I love this blue right here. Usually blue fades me out. Well, not fades me out, but it just makes me look really orange on camera. But this looks really nice. Like the boobs are sitting really pretty in this. Yeah, I just really like this. I paired a lot of this stuff with just the green pants because the black pants didn't fit that well on me. So yeah, but I do like this blue and green together. And like I said, this is an 18. If I would have got a 20, it probably wouldn't be this low cut. But I like this. I like the low cut. Be a little risque. I paired this with just the gray sweater. Like I said, I wasn't really matching things together. I just was trying stuff on. So the next bodysuit we got is this one right here. And let me make sure. Okay, this one is a 20, but I think the black one was a little bit tighter. Like this green one fit perfectly on me. I love the color. It's just a basic ribbed bodysuit. It has a nice stretch to it. Yeah, I just was looking for some really plain layering pieces, you know, to put up under my new favorite cardigan. Well, chunky cardigan from Boohoo, that khaki one I've been wearing, and a lot of people ask about it on Snap. But I just was looking for some layering pieces to go to class in, some really basic pieces. So that's why I got that and this. And then I picked it up in black, the same exact one as the green. But this one feels a little bit smaller. But it also says 20. So I don't know. I don't know why black items sometimes fit smaller. But yeah, I got it in black as well. So I'm not sure about keeping the black one because like I said, it does fit tighter in the arms than the green one. But we'll see. We will see because I do like it. And then the next bodysuit, or the last bodysuit I got, is this red one. Now this one is a little sexy. It's like mesh at the top. Oh, it looks so pretty when I hold it up. It's like mesh at the top. I love red. But yeah, the sleeves are mesh, the top is mesh. Then it has like, oh, this is gorgeous for Valentine's Day. But I'm single, y'all, and that's another video, and I'm gonna do that video and I'm gonna let y'all know. But I'm not gonna go into detail, but I'm gonna go into some breakup, how to deal with breakup, I guess. So yeah, got this. It's a nice little sweetheart neckline. The bottom is opaque and the top is sheer. You don't see too much cleavage. It is high neck. I really like this more than I thought I would like it. And it does snap at the bottom. This one does, the green one does, and the black one does. But this blue one is the only one that doesn't have the snap at the bottom. And I'm perfectly fine with that because I don't really like snaps, okay? So on to the tops. I have this one right here, which is just a really popular currently. You know, this is currently popular and trendy. It's like the mesh sleeves and then the drawstring front where you can control the amount of stomach and cleavage showing. So yeah, I really like this more than I thought I would. It looks really good on, and then you do have some coverage in the back. It's not too short. It has a lot of stretch to it. So yeah, this is a really pretty top, and I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, if I'm gonna ever wear it, but it's cute. Now this one right here, I fell in freaking love with. This is the Trudy Stripe wrap shirt in navy. I want the other color. I think it came in another color. So this is so pretty. It reminds me of a candy cane. Like, I was looking like a candy cane, y'all. But it is so freaking pretty, and you can wear it, you can tie it in like different ways depending on, you know, your creativity. But I saw two ways I would tie this. The regular way, which I saw on the site, but then also tie it as a crop top. Like, this is so, like, I love this, y'all. I really love this. It doesn't stretch much, but I didn't have a problem with it on my arms or anything like that. So it does, it's like a chiffon roomy shirt. And yeah, I really like this, y'all. I'm probably gonna wear this to class on Tuesday. Like, I really, really like this. So the last top I have is this, what is this called? The Gemma check wrap crop top. Now this was pretty short, but it was really, really pretty. And I got it in a 20. So I was making sure I didn't get it in a 20. I mean an 18. It has a nice bell sleeve. It has that nice plaid checkered thing going on. I got a blazer with a similar pattern from Boohoo. So yeah, it has stretch to it. But like I said, it comes down. Ooh, the cut in it is really good. And you can also get away with wearing a bra with it. Because, you know, some cuts just expose your bra. But this one was good. And it looked nice with the bra. And it really didn't show. It's really thick too, but yeah, I just didn't think it came down long enough. I felt like it was kind of too cropped. Like, I just wish it was like a tad bit longer, like an inch or two. So then, well, this is not the last thing, but this is the piece before the last item, is this knit dress. Now, it says cable knitted jumper dress, and I got it in a 20. However, this looks like a sweater on me. I would definitely not wear this as a dress. If you do want to wear it in the winter, I would suggest pairing it with some tights and some boots or booties, because it's super short. It's like a mini dress, but it's really heavy, but it's also cable knit, so you might get some breeze through there. And when I walked up to the camera, I saw that it was kind of see-through. So yeah, this was not a wave for me. But it's probably a wave for somebody else. And yeah, it's just not me. So then, the last thing I had from Boohoo were these pants. And I had so much hopes for these pants, because my Forever 21 leggings kind of let me down with the thickness. But these are super thick, and they do have a nice stretch. But they just didn't come up high enough in the back for me, which is why I didn't turn around. But the front looked really good. And you can control the laces on these. Like, this was perfect, the design, the material, everything, but the fit wasn't there. Like, it wasn't as stretchy as their pants usually are on me. So, sadly, they didn't really fit well. They looked nice in the front, but yeah, that back part was not hitting. And last thing are the green pants that I'm wearing. So, they have a nice ruffle on the side. They don't have pockets, and that's another thing about the coats and the cardigans. They didn't have pockets, and I was like, why? You know, why make outerwear without pockets and pants without pockets? But they do have a nice ruffle detail on the side. You know, it gives you a nice little shape. They're not super skinny on the leg. They're super stretchy though. They're just like a, I guess a straight leg, not so much a skinny leg. So yeah, I like the way they fit. They look really nice, and they don't come all the way down to my ankles. They're like a, are they cigarette pants? I don't know. I want to call everything a cigarette pant all of a sudden, but they come a little bit higher on me. So yeah, I don't know what shoe I would wear with these. Maybe some booties. I don't know. So this is my boohoo haul, sponsored by Longqi hair. I purchased these items and got them rushed to me, and they came really quickly. And they came in 3 separate packages. I don't know why. Like, y'all could have just sent me, I don't know, whatever. It's coming from the UK, so they probably don't use boxes. So they use like bags. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining. As you can see, I still have hauls back here to film. Fashion Nova, got some Zaffle, got some Rose Gal back there, so I'll be getting into that shortly. But I have a few more tasks to do before I get to those hauls. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed. Again, this is the Longqi Malaysian body wave, and I'll leave the details down below. And like I said, I like the unit. I just wish it had a little more volume and a little more oomph to it. But let me know what you guys think. I did flexi ride for the first time ever, and it came out decent. So I got another one flexi ride, so I'm ready to see how that one's gonna turn out.